Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic of my video is Veeam SAAS backup software. SAAS backup software overview. Software as a server, which is also called SAAS backup software, is a technology designed to store and protect data created by SaaS products. SaaS products are any software licensed out and delivered via the cloud rather than installed or premises. The rated SaaS backup products. These products won a top rated award for having excellent customer satisfaction ratings. The list is based purely on reviews. There is no paid placement, and analyst opinions do not influence the ranking. Veeam Backup for Azure. What is Veeam Backup for Azure? Veeam Backup for Microsoft Azure delivers Azure native enterprise ready fully automated backup and recovery to protect and manage all Azure data. Utilizing native snapshots, backup to multiple object storage classes, and flexible recovery options, it helps users to eliminate the risk. Veeam is one data replication and protection provider. We are using Veeam Backup for Azure daily because we need it for backing up our infrastructure which is located in Azure. We didn't have how Veeam Backup for Azure differs from its competitors. Hybrid cloud flexibility. Let's discuss it. One product for an premise as well as cloud environments. In case of problems, I can easily contact support. No need to mix multiple products. Awards. Products that are considered expectational by their customers based on a variety of criteria win Trust Radius Awards. Learn about the type of Trust Radius Awards to make the best purchase decision. Community Plus about this when SaaS backup. This data. Community Plus about this. This data may not include a representative sample of users. Learn more about cherry picking and how Trust Radius removes selection bias from TR score. Review score about this 9 to 10 review score is 71.79%. 7 to 8 score is 28.21%. And 5 to 6, 3 to 4 and 1 to 2 score is 0%. Reviewer statement 39 positive reviews and 0 negative reviews. 100% reviews would buy again. 100% reviews delivered good value for the price. And 7% happy with the feature set. Popular features encryption, retention options, data storage in the cloud or on premises, management dashboard, reviewer pros and cons, easy to create backup jobs. We didn't find any for improvement. Policy based backup and active may unaware of systems restored from on-prem. This causes me licensing issues when running DR testing events. Leaving a video review helps other professionals like you evaluate products. Be the first one in your network to record a review of Veeam Backup for Azure and make your voice heard.